I've been seeing lonely people in crowded rooms, covering their old heartbreaks and new tattoos. It's all about smoke screens and cigarettes, looking through low-life and silhouettes, but all I see is lonely people in crowded rooms. The city's gonna break my heart. The city's gonna love me then leave me alone. The city's got me chasing stars. It's been a couple months since I felt like I'm home.